Hi, I'm Jeff with InspectorPrime. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and manage client profiles. Whether you're just getting started as an inspector or looking to organize your existing client base, having a well-managed directory helps you stay efficient, professional, and ready to grow your business. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create new client profiles, update contact information, categorize clients, and make the most of Airtable's powerful features. I'll also show you a client intake form that we've built at InspectorPrime that creates client profiles and jobs all in one public-facing interface. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in our InspectorPrime Office database. And to get to our client directory, we're going to go into CRM, Client Directory, and here we have listed all of our customers tied to our business. So let's go ahead and look at Barbara Garcia's profile. You can see it captures her basic info as well as whether or not she's an active client or maybe an inactive client. You can add tags to further capture information on your clients, get the historical data when they first became a client, as well as their lifetime value. So scrolling down, you can get a quick snapshot of the job history that's tied to Barbara, as well as the referral history, her sending other customers our way. But let's go ahead and go into the job history for Barbara. So with a quick click, we can get into the job that's tied to Barbara and see that she went ahead and got a pre-purchase inspection and added on radon testing as well as a sewer scope. Continuing down, you can see she left us a review on Google that we were then able to tie to her client record, so now we can keep track of any future reviews that she might leave us if she turns out to be a repeat customer. So now that we have seen how the client profile looks, let's go ahead and walk through the process of adding a new client manually. Do Bill Jones here, and let's say that he is part of an investment firm. Add an email, add a phone number, set him as active, as well as let's do commercial client, and he's an investor, and then we submit. And now you can see Bill Jones has popped up and now has a profile within our client directory. So one great thing that we've done at InspectorPrime is we have automated this client onboarding process. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how that works. So here's our internal booking form that we can use to capture client data, agent data, as well as the job information. So we're just going to click through this real quick. So let's say we're doing a single family home. We want to do that August 4th at 11 a.m. And now if this is a repeat client, let's just say it is. Let's go find, we added Bill in here. There's Bill Jones. But if I would have been smart to begin with, I would have just typed in Bill Jones. So here he is. Now he is tied to this job record if he was in here filling out this form. We're going to say he is our purchaser. We're going to add an agent in here as well. Tied to this deal, we'll choose Scarlett Powell. If we wanted to add another agent, we could do so right here. And now let's just punch in a fictional address in Colorado Springs. We'll say it has a basement, made in 2020, 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Now we can go down and select our service for the job. So let's just do a pre-listing inspection with radon testing. And now we submit. So now that new job has created, but let's go see how that affected Bill's profile within our client directory. So here's Bill Jones's profile, and now you can see that there is a job tied to his profile. And we can either manage it from a multitude of places within the platform, but if you wanted to go in and confirm status, mark it as a quote, you can assign all of your employees to these different services and a whole bunch of other stuff, but that's for a separate tutorial. For now, just wanted to highlight how our client directory is tied to multiple spaces across the platform and how much data that you can capture on your customers to help you grow your business. So that'll do it for this tutorial. Thanks for your time, and thanks as always for being an InspectorPrime customer. I will see you on the next video. Thanks.